Hi, welcome to HKT Law's tutorial session. My name is Melanie Thorley and I'm the principal at HKT Law. Today I'm going to show you how to find and fill in a F50 notice of discontinuance. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Fair Work Commission website just by dialing in FWC into Google, and you'll see that there are a lot of choices here. We're going to scroll down into forms and lodgements, and from there we're going to scroll down to forms, and then we're going to find our form. Now we know it's a Form F50, so we're just going to scroll down to the 50 here, and you just click on that to download it. So this is our Form F50. Now you will use this form if you are looking at discontinuing a matter that you started in the Fair Work Commission. Now that could be because the matter has settled, or you may wish to withdraw the application, or you don't want the Commission to help you anymore about dealing with this Commission. Now there are lots of ways that you can lodge the form. You can lodge the form with the Commission, you can advise the Commission by writing or emailing, you can call them by telephone. The easiest way to do that is just to fill in this form and send it in. So first of all we go down to the form, and it's just a really simple form, as you can see here, that asks for the matter number, your first name, your surname, the other parties' names, and what's going on here. So we're just going to type in a matter number, and we're just going to call it U2016 U2031/2016, and we're going to put my name there as the applicant, Melanie, and my last name is Thorley. Now I'm going to have a fictional person as the contact person for the respondent. We're going to call that other person, and the legal name for the business is not working there anymore, and the trade name of the business is not working. Okay, so the question you've got to ask yourself is what you want to do. Do you just want to wholly discontinue the matter, or was it part of a settlement? Or are you discontinuing the matter and you're going to pursue something different? Now, normally you would either discontinue the matter as a whole, or you've come to some sort of settlement and that's why you're discontinuing the matter. So we're going to put X here, and that's going to say that you've mediated, that you've come to a resolution or some sort of settlement, and that's why you're discontinuing the matter. And then you put your signature in, you put your name, so I'm going to put Melanie Thorley. Now, because I'm the applicant in this matter, I'm going to put applicant here, because that would be the capacity for which I'm filling in this form and signing it. Also, I'm going to put the date, and then it's time for me to print just this page. You don't need to print these other pages. So you print just this page and then you send it in. Now there are different ways that you can sign this. If you're going to send it electronically, and that means if you're going to email it to the Commission, then you can just put your name here by typing your name in it. So that would be something like this. Other people like to get a little bit fancy and they want to make it look like a signature. So you might want to choose something from the list. Let's choose this one, and it's really small, so I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger, and there we go. So that would be my form, and I would then print it out, or I would email just this page to the Commission, and that would be the end of the matter. Now you would normally have the email with which it has been corresponding with you at the Commission to send it through to, and my advice is just to follow that up in a day or two to make sure that they received it and that they're actioning it. And that's all you need to do to discontinue a matter at the Fair Work Commission. I hope that's been helpful for you today, and let me know if you've got any questions. You can contact us on 30400337. Thank you for listening.